welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a special announcement. Far out! I've been waiting for this moment for a long time. Most of you might know Akuchi's hair collection. Akuchi's hair collection. I've always wanted to own one of these, and the day came yesterday. I couldn't wait to pick it up. Man, this hair, if you're looking for a wig or a weave, please, this is the real deal. I'll link everything down in the description box below so you guys can get your hands on it. And I have a discount to give out, so I have a code. This is only for my subscribers. So if you come across this video, your code is on the screen, and I'll link it down in the description box below so you guys can get a few bucks off your purchase. You know, who would like some discount? All right, discount. Anyways, look at the packaging, guys. Let's just talk about the packaging. Leave the hair alone. Let's talk about the packaging. Look at all the details. She's got her Instagram, her Snapchat. Well organized, yeah? Look at that. Look at the logo. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Anyways, angels, today it's all about this hair. Most of y'all will like it, but as soon as you go into the website and check out the price, you'll be shocked. You know, you'll be like, huh, is it really worth it? But trust me, it's worth every single cent. This one, you can use a lot of heat in it and it doesn't damage it, you know, and it's really, really thin, fine and soft, you know, like you'll feel it, you know. You get yourself one and feel it for yourself. It's worth every single cent, because the time that she puts in it, you will appreciate it. You will appreciate it. It's just the price it puts us a bit like, you know, out there, but she's got real deal, you know. She came up with this idea, and I was praying for this to happen, you know. I was like, how, like, one day I wish she gets Afterpay, and out of nowhere she came up with a payment plan. It's not like Afterpay, but it's a bit of a lay-by, because, you know, we can't trust our people. Give Afterpay, they end up leaving with the wig without paying. So I reckon the lay-by part is a really, really good idea. So you get to purchase and get to pay every single fortnightly or weekly, whatever you can afford, until you finish paying for your wig, and then you get to pick it up. How good is that? Seriously, how good is that deal? Business is just 100%, guys, you know. And I appreciate her for all of that, because all the mothers, you know, it's very hard with budgeting and everything, so we can't actually put that price in our budget. So that's why I couldn't afford it straight up, you know, when she opened in 2016. But the payment plan came through. Oh, I can't wait to curl it and do every other styles on it. Oh my god, I'm excited, guys. So please don't forget to if you're looking for a wig, please don't forget to purchase in this website. I'll link everything down below the description box. You know, get your hands on it, angels. Come on, come on. They say charity begins at home, and this is the thing my sister always tells me: charity begins at home. So if this charity started in your house, I mean around with your people, and you don't end up supporting your people, you are not going to go anywhere at all. You're not going to go anywhere at all. So support your locals, because one day your turn might end up coming, you know. You never know. Every day somebody needs something. Every day somebody needs the support, you know. And if you're willing to do that without having to want something back in return, you know, it's a good thing. So guys, get your hands on it. Get your hands on it. What are you waiting for? And that's all today, angels. That's all today, angels. Please don't forget to, you know, put the code as you check out for your purchasing, so you can get some discount. You don't want to miss that out. Anyways, angels, thank you so much for tuning in today, and I hope you own one of these. I hope you own one of these one day, and there's a little message to Akuchi. God bless you with your business, and I hope you rise up to the ladder and get to the top and reach your destination, baby girl. This is beautiful. Thank you for looking after us, and God bless you more every day. Thank you, angels. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Share the video around so whoever wants to get their hands on beautiful wigs, they can get their hands on it. You know? Thank you, angels. I'll see you guys in my next video very soon. Bye. Sorry, angels. I forgot to mention that the video is gonna be a wig installation as well. I got too excited. Anyways, we'll begin by wiping all the excess of the makeup so the glue can stick on properly. And after that, we just put the glue on that area that you want the wig to sit on. But on the edge, I got a big forehead, so it's easier with the more space. So like on the edge, I like to put all the glue like right next to my edges, so it can be like really, so it can look natural instead of all the way on your face. And then after that, I just like to grab the ice cream like stick and just flat the whole glue down so it won't be like really bulky later on. As you can see, angels, I got too excited again that I did not zoom out the video for you guys to see how I unpack it very nicely, but I made another video after cutting off the lace, you know. Yeah, I had to like, you know, make that video become like, so you guys can see what comes with it. So it comes like with the wig cap, it comes with a comb, it comes with instruction on how to look after the hair, which is a very professional idea. And it comes like in a really silky bag for it to be secured even more. And you know, it comes in a plastic bag inside of it as well. Oh my god, it's so secured very nicely. Anyways, and the wig itself is very beautiful and soft. It comes with a band that to make it more tighter for it to lay really nice and flat. And the only thing that I didn't like about it, I just like one comb behind it will be really nice for it to, you know, secure it really nicely, but that you can install that yourself. And it comes with a bleach knot to suit the color of your scalp. Everything is so organized, guys. This wig is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Sorry, angels, I went and cut out the lace in front of the mirror and glued on the wig after the glue has dried a little bit, and then put a band around it to secure it even more, to flat it down even more. And then yeah, we'll wait for about 10 minutes. And after that, we'll put you know, the brush that you use for your foundation, you just dab around that lace area for it to blend in with your natural foundation. To make it more look natural, just keep dabbing that area in there. You want that lace to be really snatched and blended with your color. And then like brush it out and just get rid of the excess of the foundation on your hair. You know, we don't want it to make it look like it's fake, but anyways. And after that, just grab a toothbrush as well, just to get rid of that excess of the foundation on your edges. You know, because there was a lot in there, so just have to like straighten it out and loosen it up a bit before you apply that gel on it. You want everything to look perfect. After applying a gel on your edges, I just like to I'm going with like a really slick back look. So I put the gel all over my hair and just lay back that the whole hair without having to, you know, attach the edges with it as well. Just like that, really flat. And then after that, you grab your satin head wrap and just wrap it around and let it sit down for about 5 good minutes or 10 minutes, whichever, and then take it out. Ooh. And that's the finished look, angels. Everything looked flat, the makeup is on point, the hair is on point, you're good to go. Anyways, I hope you achieved this look. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. And don't forget to share, subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below, guys, what you guys think. And I'll see you guys in my next video very soon. Bye!